Come to the next topic, that is significance of de Broglie relationship. Means what is the significance of de Broglie relationship as proposed by the de Broglie, that all moving object in motion they possess wave-like characteristic in addition to the particle-like characteristic that is represented by this equation. What is the significance of the de Broglie relationship? Thus हम कह सकते हैं any material body in motion can have wavelength, but it is measurable or significant. It is measurable or significant only in case of the microscopic object like electron, proton, atoms or molecules. This may be illustrated by taking the example of electron. इलेक्ट्रॉन का हम एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं और उसको जो है एक्सप्लेन करने की कोशिश करते हैं कि हाउ द de Broglie relationship is applicable for the microscopic object. The mass of electron, as you all know that the mass of electron is 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. It is moving with velocity. Here it is moving with the velocity 10 to the power 6 meter per second, and the value of h you all know, that is it is Planck constant 6.63 into 10 to the power minus 34 kg meter square per second. Putting all these value, ये सारा वैल्यू हम यहाँ पे रखते हैं. लैम्डा इज इक्वल टू 6.63 इंटू 10 टू द पावर माइनस 34 डिवाइडेड बाई 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg, that is the mass of electron, and it is moving with velocity this one. The wavelength is found to be 7.28. The wavelength is found to be 7.28 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter. This wavelength is so small that it can be easily measurable. Now taking the another example, इसके अलावा हम दूसरे ऑब्जेक्ट का एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. Now see here, we have previously find out, हमने सबसे पहले पता लगाया इलेक्ट्रॉन के वेवलेंथ का, the wavelength of moving electron. Now we have to find out the wavelength associated with a moving ball, and the mass of the ball is 10 gram, moving with velocity 10 to the power 6. So according to the de Broglie relationship, on putting the value of h, mass of the ball and the velocity, and calculating this equation, we got this amount 6.63 into 10 power minus 38 meter. This wavelength is so shorter that any electromagnetic radiation, this wavelength is very shorter than any electromagnetic radiation, and it cannot be measured by any known method. So we can say that the wavelength associated with heavier object like ball or any other heavier object, the wavelength associated with these objects are so short that there is no known method which can measure the wavelength of heavier object which are in motion. But we can easily measure the wavelength of smaller microscopic object with accuracy, because they fall in the range of the electromagnetic radiation. So we can say that it is difficult to grasp the idea of wave associated with the moving ball. In other words, we can say that the ball does not have wave associated with it. This wavelength is shorter than any electromagnetic radiation and cannot be measured by any known method. It means ये wavelength इतना short है, इतना कम है कि कोई मेथड हमारे पास है ही नहीं जिससे हम इस तरह के शॉर्टर वेवलेंथ के इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक रेडिएशन को मेजर कर सकें। तो इसलिए हम कह देते हैं कि देयर इज़ नो वेवलेंथ एसोसिएटेड विद द मूविंग बॉल, यानी कि इस मूविंग बॉल के साथ कोई वेवलेंथ एसोसिएट नहीं है। हाउएवर द वेवलेंथ इज एसोसिएटेड एज यू सी फ्रॉम दिस इक्वेशन। आपको इस इक्वेशन से नजर आ रहा है कि इसके साथ वेवलेंथ एसोसिएट है, बट द वेवलेंथ इज सो शॉर्ट दैट वी कांट मेजर विथ एनी नोन मेथड। So we can easily conclude that the macroscopic means heavier object, they also possess wave-like characteristic, but their wavelength are so short that they can't be measured with any known method. However, the wavelength associated with microscopic particle like electron, proton, atoms or molecules, they can be easily measured, and we can say that the microscopic particle, in addition to particle like behavior, they also possess wave like characteristic. So this is the significance of the de Broglie relationship.